Airplane. Whoa. Whoa. Look in the picture. Say whoa. Say we're flying the airplane. Whoa. Look at you. Oh, there's the airplane. Airplane. Say I'm flying the airplane. Say flying the airplane. Airplane. Say here we go. Say here we go. Ready? No. You gonna do it? Nope. Go. Airplane. Oh, you want me to fly it? Bite it? No, I don't want to bite it. It's hard. It's hard. No, it's hard. See? No. Bite it. There you go. No, it's hard. The airplane's hard. See, look how you got Grammy's hair all messed up from pillow fight. Now we're flying airplanes. Oh, it's time for you to go to bed. Is it time for you to go to bed? Huh? Is it time to go to bed? No? Huh? That hurts? Well, don't poke yourself with it. Say, okay, say, I gotta get ready to go to bed. Say night-night. Oh, that's my baby. That's the best little baby hug in the world. Huh? You okay? Did you poke yourself with the aeroplane? Huh? Need another hug. He needs another hug. Oh, Grammy needs another hug. Oh, I love you. I love you. Can Grammy have another hug? Another hug. Let me kiss it for you. Let me kiss it. Got it. Okay? No, don't do it again. Don't do it again. No, I'm gonna eat you up. I'm gonna eat you up. I'm gonna eat you up. Say bye, y'all. Say bye.
Papa go.
Say bye-bye, y'all. Bye.